Hi guys, we received this modern LED wall sconce for viewing purposes, so let's take them out of the box. I think they're really nice because you can control them with a remote control, which is this one, as you can see, or with just a touch in the proper main unit. They don't need to be wired or anything, you can just install them and they are battery powered, which I think it's a really nice feature. It comes with everything you need to install them, all the screws and everything, and some magnets. And this is one of the main units. As you can see, it turns on by pressing this button, which I think is nice. And here we have the receiver and the USB Type-C port, so we can install them. And in here you can see the magnets. You can move around this side like this, place them however you want, and instead of installing it like you always do, you have two options: place this into the wall drilled, or use this double-sided circular tape. So just place it in and place it upon the wall, which I think it's really nice. Comes with some gloves and batteries, and it's a pack of two. So we have the other one right here with its own remote controller, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and place them and let's see how it looks. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed, and I must say that it's a really quick installation, because as I've said, you have two options: by drilling them and using the adhesive tape that comes included. I used the adhesive and it's really easy. It didn't take any time, and as you can see, with the remote control we can change the temperature of the light, which I think it's really nice. It has 3 different temperatures, and we can also set a timer so the lights turn off automatically, which I think it's really nice. Okay, I also like a lot the function of dimming it, so you can set the perfect mood for every time you want, and you have 2 modes to control it, using it with the remote control that comes all the basic functions and also the timing function, or with just the touch control that comes just without the timing function, which I think it's a nice option. These wall sconces have a minimalist design that fits different styles, and it's an excellent choice for your wall decoration because it's suitable for different kinds of spaces, such as the living room, your bedroom, a corridor, a stairway, the dining room, even in your office or at the side of your dressing table or your TV, which I think it's an excellent option. And as I've said, they are really easy to install. You can set them however you like it, being horizontally or vertically, or inclined if you like it. And overall, I like them a lot, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.